Meaning of facially.
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 Facially. The word facially is an adverb used to indicate something related to the face or surface appearance. It can refer to anything that pertains to facial features or expressions, such as facial expressions, facial hair, facial features, and facial surgery. The use of the word can help to describe specific characteristics or traits of a person or object that are related to the face. In short, when someone uses the word facially, they are referring to the visible aspects of a person's or object's appearance that relate to the face.